Hello. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm great. By the way, what is your name? My name is Jackie. And yours? My name is Vicky. So, Jackie, where are you from? I'm from Delhi. And what about you? I'm from Goa. Where do you live here? I live here at Defense Colony. And where do you live here? I live here at Green Hills apartment. How many siblings do you have? I have two siblings, one little sister and one big brother. How lucky you are! I just have one little sister. What does your father do for a living? He is a doctor. And yours? He is a businessman. Great. Is your mother a housewife or working woman? She is a housewife. And yours? She is also a housewife. Okay, what are your hobbies? I like listening to music, speaking English, and drawing. And yours? Even I like listening to music, learning English, and playing football. We have a lot in common. Yes. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Yes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.